Hello friends, Tony here. So in this video I'm going to set up our web server and I'm going to use Nginx. By default in Linux we have installed the Apache, but we are going to use Nginx. And first we need to add the web server to the firewall. So let's check what rules we have on the firewall. So first I'm going to log in here. I am in the terminal and I'm going to log in as a Tony user without the passphrase and hit enter. Okay, here we are. Now let's check what status we have for the firewall. So I'm going to say sudo ufw and status. We need to add the password. Hit enter. And right now we have just the SSH open allow. But we need also, because we are going to work with web server, we need to add the web server rules. And we can do that by saying sudo ufw and allow. And what we need to allow is the web server, which is www, or we can say 80/TCP. So we are going to allow the port 80, but I prefer to say just www. And if I hit enter, now rule added, and also rule added for the version 6, because we have IP version 4 and version 6. And let's check again for the status of firewall. And as you can see, we have port 80 open for version 4 and for version 6 here. Okay, but we need to open also the port 443, which is a secure web traffic and what we want to use with the web servers. So to allow that, we're going to say sudo ufw allow, and not www but https, like this, and hit enter. Okay, now rule added, and also rule added for version 6 again. And let's check for the status. And as you can see, we have 443 open, and for the version 6, 443 open. Okay, now we are good. And as I told you, the Apache 2 is installed with the Linux. And let's check if we have Apache 2 here. So I'm going to say sudo systemctl and status for the Apache 2. I'm going to hit enter, and as you can see, is loaded and is active. But as I told you, we are going to work with Nginx, so I'm going to stop this by saying sudo systemctl stop Apache 2. Hit enter, and now let's check again for the status of Apache 2, and loaded but is inactive. Good. Let's clean, and now let's start and work with the Nginx. So now let's install Nginx, but before that let's update our system, because it's best practice to update the system before we install any program. And we can do that by saying sudo apt update and hit enter. Okay, now the system is updated, and let's install the Nginx by saying sudo apt install, and we're going to install the Nginx and hit enter. Okay, I'm going to accept the default. So do you want to continue? And the Y is selected. Let's say just enter, and we are okay. Good. Now if I say sudo systemctl status, not for Apache 2, but I'm going to check for the Nginx, like this, hit enter. As you can see, now is loaded and is active. So we have Nginx here, and I'm going to open the code with Tony, the domain we changed to the DNS. So let's open here. Okay, so we have Apache 2 default page, and it works, as you can see here. So that means our domain is connected with our VPS server, but we need to work with Nginx. So let's open here the terminal and let's navigate. So cd /etc/ not ssh but nginx, like this, and hit enter. Okay, now if I say ls here, we have some files and some folders here. So we have sites enabled and sites available. We're going to work with the sites enabled and also with the sites available. And first of all, let's open the sites available. So we can say cd in the sites available, hit enter. Now if I say ls-l, we have the default here for the default page, and I'm going to create a new file using the vim. So I'm going to say sudo y, and I'm going to name the file code with tony.configuration conf, like this, hit enter. Okay, now here I open the insert mode, but before that I'm going to show you if I open the Laravel page and I am navigating to the deployment. So if you search for the deployment, or if you go to getting started and at the end we have deployment, we have server configuration, and you can go to Nginx, and here we have an example. But for now I'm going to just copy this and let's go here, and I'm going to paste that in. We are in the insert mode. I'm going to close this one. So the server, this is the location. So we have listen for the port 80, which is for the version for the IP version 4. Also listen for the IP version 6 port 80. Then we have server name and not example.com, what we're going to add the. So let's go up here and change that, the code with tony.dev. Okay, so let's say here, code with tony.dev here, and the root is where the website folder is. So for example, server/example.com public, but we are going to change that. So let's say, for now I'm going to say var/www/ and I'm going to create a folder code with Tony there. Okay, now if you want you can add the add header and also this one, but I'm going to comment this one for now. Here we have the index, so the default index pages, we have the index and index PHP, but also I'm going to add here index.html, and we have location, drive files, $URI, and index PHP query strings. It's no problem. I'm going to leave like this, and I'm going to escape :WQ, hit enter, clean this one, and as you can see we are in the sites available, and I'm going to go to sites enabled now. So let's go up and ls, and let's cd in the sites enabled. Okay, now let's say ls-l, hit enter, and as you can see we have here in link. So from the sites available to this default here, and we need to create also a symlink for our code with tony.conf file to be linked at here. So I'm going to say sudo ln-s for the symlink, to create a symlink, and we're going to point to /etc/nginx/sites available and code with Tony, and we're going to point directly here. So I'm going to add dot here and hit enter, and now let's say ls-l again, and as you can see we have code with Tony here. Good. So we created the symlink for our page, and let's test the configuration file. We can do that by saying sudo nginx -t, hit enter, and as you can see, the configuration file nginx.conf syntax is okay, and test is successful. Good. Now I'm going to cd the default, and let's say cd the /var/www, and here I'm going to ls, and we have just the HTML, but I'm going to create also the code with Tony directory. So let's say make directory code with Tony. Yeah, we need to say sudo make directory code with Tony, and now ls, we have code with Tony, and let's cd the code with Tony, and here I'm going to create a index file, an index HTML file, and I'm going to say sudo y and just index.html, hit enter, and I be in the insert mode, and I'm going to say just hello from code with Tony here, escape :wq. Okay, now I'm going to say sudo systemctl, not status, but I'm going to reload the nginx. So let's say reload nginx. Okay, and now let's open my code with Tony.dev website, and as you can see, we have hello from code with Tony, and I'm going to just zoom it here. As you can see, hello from code with Tony, because we created that file, sudo y index.html. Okay friends, that's it all about this video. I hope you enjoy, and if you like such a videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, and share with your friends. All the best, and see you in the next one.